Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a 5-minute brown smoky eye and show you how to go from this to this in literally 5 minutes, and very low technique needed. I'm going to use blunt pencils for example, so if that sounds good to you then just keep watching. I've already applied eye primer. I've just used the NARS Pro Prime, and for this look you can use any browns that you love. By the way, this is just, you know, it's whatever colours you love to use. And I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Neutrals palette. So you're looking for something, first of all, I'm going to do on top of my eyelid to begin with. And I just want something to basically neutralise the zone. I find that if you keep your browns quite neutral, then you're going to end up looking like you've got less makeup on. I know that sounds weird because it's brown, so it's naturally quite dark, but actually it just acts almost as sculpting and contouring. So I'm going to use, for my skin tone, something in the mid-range. So this is MN4, which is a very mid-toned neutral colour. And I'm going to team it with MN8, which is a deeper, cooler tone. But I think the two of them together are going to give me something that keeps the intensity of this really nice sort of cool brown shade, but starts to haze it with a bit of a neutral shade. So whatever skin tone you are, look for some browns that you think will kind of give you something that's quite neutral and sort of act as something you might choose for contour, I guess, is a good shout. I'm going to use a classic brush for this look because I think most people have probably got something like this in their brush arsenal. This is the MAC 217, just a fluffy brush. So just dip it in the shade that you're going to use, or if you're going to use two like me to get something sort of quite neutralised, then first of all onto the back of your hand so that you don't get loads of powder all over your face, but also so that you don't start with too much pigment because you can't really come back from that. So just with small circular motions, really lightly applying the brown. So remember that we've only got 5 minutes here, so I'm not going to spend ages and ages on this blending, but essentially you're tapping and dabbing and just covering the whole lid space with it up into the crease. So if you've got sort of, you know, older eyes and, you know, this part's sort of coming down again, you're sort of going right into the nestling into the part where the bone is and the crease is, just going over it and just acting like you're contouring it. So that's literally the first one, very subtle, but it will make a difference overall. Same technique on the other side. Okay, and then don't forget the sides, you're interested in that. But overall, then that you wouldn't even really know that I had eyeshadow on, but that's like the perfect base for the smoky eye. I'm going to use the Shiseido one, which is a flat brush, and it's only just because I like to go sort of, if you look at the angle of my eye that gives me, that it almost sort of does the angles for you. You can sort of see where to go naturally just by putting the flatness against your eye. And then underneath you need a sort of slightly deeper brown. I wouldn't go this far just with this look. I mean, you could do all of this in whatever sort of shades and tones that you want to do. But for this look, I'm going to go sort of next tone along from my darkest that I was mixing in. You could definitely just still use the MM8, that would be fine, but I just want something a bit richer and warmer. So I'm going to use this colour. And again, just tapping the brush into the colour and then always on the back of the hand, just to load it. And then just going along the lash line. So, you know, everyone sort of can do this because it's at the bottom of the lashes. If you've got hooded eyes, this is great because this is an easy like piece of real estate to access without much technique if you haven't got time. And you're just literally kind of loading eyeshadow underneath your lash line and then hazing it out with your finger. Same on the other side. So that it looks like this. Then next we're going to take an eye pencil. I'm just going to use this Lisa Eldridge one. This is the Burnt Umber, because I really like when things have cool contour underneath to then have a warmer sort of richer shade as an eyeliner. And all I'm going to do with this, it's not particularly sharp, is then draw dots underneath the eye. So space them out sort of a couple of millimeters apart, almost like you're drawing doll eyes, like sort of doll lashes, just so that it looks like this, and the same on the other side. So I always put it underneath my lash line and just slightly at the sides, so not all along the top, but at the sides, really messily like that. Same on the other side. Outer third, basically, over and above the lash line. And then I get a brush, something like this Lisa Eldridge one that's just sort of pointed and ideal for smudging, and I just really roughly and lightly just move it around basically, but always in the direction of upwards and out, so that I form, same underneath, so that I form a real smudgy, hazy, quite lived in brown smoky eye that just looks like he spent ages doing it, I think. I mean, if you were using a pencil, by the way, that's like a waterproof pencil, I don't think this is going to work. You're going to need something that's a bit softer and that you can move around. So just keep that in mind in terms of pencil choice. Use either a kohl, I guess, like a Kajal, or just a regular eyeliner that you know you can move around that isn't waterproof. I use the Lisa Eldridge Burnt Umber Mascara. The warmth from this mascara instantly picks up the eyeliner behind it and then throws loads of depth into your eye when you think how sort of haphazardly I put it on. And then just as much mascara as you can possibly get on your eye is the general rule. Mainly at the roots, if you can, tapering off the ends so that you just, again, get so much intensity and layers of rich, warm colour around your eyes that contrast against that cool contour that we've got going on in the background. And then that is kind of your first finished look, depending on how daytime you want to go. So now let's just keep going with a bit of brown underneath. I'm actually going to line inside my eye, which is the look I had on at in the other video. And you can see how we go from this kind of late 60s, a bit Sharon Tate-ish, like contoured but quite doe-eyed look. So whichever you prefer, just with an eyeliner. So I'm just going to go all along the lash line and above, concentrating on sort of the inner part of my eye, outside. And just make sure you just sort of coloured in any gaps that you've missed along your eyelashes on the bottom. But keep the top clean and you end up with this really rich smoky eye that looks like you had been doing for ages. Use it with any colours, but I think it works really well with those kind of sculptural tones and is a great look if you've only got 5 minutes, daytime or nighttime. And if you are enjoying this content, then let me know. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.